Right. In this video, we're going to talk about pressure. Now, what is pressure? Now, pressure is defined as force per unit area. That means force divided by area gives me the pressure. The force is measured in newtons. The area is measured in square meters. The pressure is, the unit for the pressure is newtons per square meters or pascals. So we say one Newton per square meter is called 1 Pascal. And we're going to use the formula, which is P equals F over A. And the formula triangle you can draw like this. If you want to find the pressure is force divided by area. If you want to find the force is pressure times area, and so on. Now we're going to illustrate this with an example so you can understand what pressure means. If we consider a slab of concrete of mass 3 kilogram, which lies on the ground in two different ways, okay? Once it's lying flat like this, with the largest side on the ground. So in contact with the ground is this area. This is the area that is in contact with the ground. So we say that this area now, in order to get the pressure in pascals, okay, we're going to convert the area into square meters. Now, this is in square centimeters. So if this is 20 centimeters, we can say this is 0.2 meters by 0.1 meter. So the area is going to be 20 times 10, which is same as 0.2 times 0.1. 0.2 times 0.1, which is 0.02 meters square. Okay, so we get the area is 0.02 meters square. Now, first of all, what is the weight? If the mass of the slab is 3 kilogram, the force that it exerts is going to be force of gravity, which is the force of gravity is 10 newtons per kilogram, times that by 3, that'll give you 30 newtons. So this slab is exerting a force of 30 newtons on the ground. Now, when we do part A, now remember it's the same slab, okay? So we haven't changed the weight, it's still got the same weight. So it's exerting the same force on the ground, which is still 30 Newton. Okay, so if it's standing like this or standing up like this, it's exerting the same amount of force. But what about the pressure? The pressure depends on the area. And in this case, the side that is in contact with the ground is the smaller side, and its area is area equals, now this is 0.1 meter, 5 centimeter is 0.05 meters, okay? If you divide 5 by 100, you get 0.05 meters. So the area of this is going to be 0.1 length times width of this rectangle, which is 0.1 times 0.05, 0.1 times 0.05, which comes to 0.005 meters square. Okay, so the area is going to be 0.05 meters square. Now, to find the pressure, now remember pressure is equal to force divided by the area. The force is 30 newtons. and the area is 0.02 meters squared. 0.02. So if we multiply this by 100, you times the top by 100, that's 3,000 divided by 2. 1, 2. That's 3,000 divided by 2, which is 1,500 pascals. Okay, so the pressure it exerts on the ground is 1,500 pascals. Okay, force divided by area. Force is 30 Newton. If I write the units, newtons, that's meters squared. Newtons per meter squared is pascal. Okay, now in this case, the area is 0.05 meter square, and the force is 30. So for part B, pressure is equal to force divided by area. Now, the area in contact with the ground this time is much smaller. It's 0.005 meters squared. And the force is, remember, force is still the same, which is 30 Newton. So pressure equals 30 divided by 0.005. So if I move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places, you add 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 zeros. That's 30,000 divided by 3, which is 30 divided by 5 is 6. That's 6,000